me I watch a movie and I kind of doze off and I tell myself, say, yo, I'm so rich. But I can't. 5 more hours left. I'm tired, like, literally tired. Like, and I'm just tired, like, I used to sit up one place so long. This thing I mash me up. Anyhow, guys. Baby soon go and see it. I'm on my way! That let's do that half full. I couldn't eat it. You couldn't eat it? No, sir. What are you crying so far? Anyways, baby, I brought something for you, okay?
Yeah, get up.
Don't get up. Stay right there. Watch your style there. Watch your style there. The day before delivery, people. Watch your style there. Yeah, the day before delivery. Watch your style there.
Stop me.
Take your time. What is this? May I drop in a lady? This is serious, man.
I'm afraid.
No, man, I'll show YouTube what I got. This is the day before delivery. You know, I'm mash up.
What did I say there before?
Me, I tell you, say,
Okay.
people mark my word.
It's
I'll tell them when I did before this year. Just a little token.
Guys, we get dear chocolates.
What name?
Dear chocolates.
Okay then.
My Ferrero Rocher.
Okay then.
You're not getting under it.
Okay then. Okay then.
And it gets a card. Some money in
Hmm?
there. Some money in
You want money in there? We stop using money I can't use, so we get a card.
there. Card.
Card rather.
Congratulations. If you read it.
You could. YouTube, no, even read it and tell if you want to read it. You can't read it.
Okay.
But you can read it first to yourself and see if you want to share it.
And I cut it out.
Yeah, but I think, oh, go ahead.
So, sit here, guys. Remember me tell you, say, is that right up you all
Whatever.
Okay. To my strong woman. Babe, I'm so proud of you.
So you got mute.
I am blown away by the strength you push forth day after day. And you have been and will be a good mom to our baby boy Jamari. I am here for you 100% strong wife.
True.
I am happy we are back in one place again. Congrats, baby mama. We in this together. So how many carry?
We are in this together. Jamari,
Tomorrow,
your papa. Me and Kanisa carry you.
missing you also helped me to realize how much I love you, babe. You are loved. Congratulations and best wishes to you today and always. From your Jay. I love you, babe.
No, I'm tired. In fact, I was going to read it up from last night and then I said, I'm going to go on the plane, I'm read it up and then yeah, I'm never going to do it. People just don't be the seed. Yeah, they're red still.
You get foreign bid.
Yeah. Get British bait to come sign. Yeah.
Okay, guys. So, remember the last... I can't add this to a video I did already. Guys.
No, this is my video.
Oh, pardon me. Sorry.
Yeah, people. Can I cuss my voice? I don't want no video, so I don't want she can steal my video. This is my video. Go ahead.
Just open on my face.
See, hey, I'm putting my face now. Yeah, go on.
This is on my face, so party.
Well, I will see it and so what?
No.
So guys, this is possibly the day before
Yeah.
the day.
Oh yes, we're preparing induction tomorrow. We don't know what to go on yet.
You know, man.
I don't know if it might come before the induction or...
I'm come tomorrow night the latest.
Oh yeah, sir.
Tomorrow I come out.
Now look.
I can come here Tuesday. Tuesday evening.
Interesting. Oh, we see. Yes.
You better ready for your papa here. So you're coming out. You're coming out. You're coming out. Say Jamari. Not spoil your name, say Jamari. Babe, me say, nah, show now.
Thank you.
You keep your laga? You no feeling? Jammy boy.
So feel again. I'm killing your caca. Say, stop touch me.
Jamari. You me feel it now. But you're not easy, you it. Watch it. Come here.
Stop touch me.
Jamari.
How does that big Oliver and they touch me?
Come on, give me 3 kick a while ago. Eat again there.
Tell her feel like that.
No, man, I say yes, daddy.
Like my
Yes,
youth.
tomorrow I say, is it, my son? Peeps, big up on yourself. So you can either get fat and plumpy. Later, guys. No.
People, the man there, I feel me belly a fast. I feel.
You're tired, man. Is that a kid there? That's always a silent there. Kick again. Boss, I'm kicking there. You feel all heavy? JG. Whoa. Yeah.
He poke up in the hand.
Jammy. Jamari. You're not painful, could you? Where are you going with it? Watch out.
Are you wake him up?
Jamari. Yes, guys, so today is the day. Mama carrying that front. What if you're wiggle going? Yeah. Try it out. Oh, is that a long stretch? Is that a long stretch? But you have to go through that. First person, right? So the waiting here. The waiting here. It's on the same floor.
Okay, people, we are here. We're in the waiting room. Ah, Jesus. He's about to be out. Oh, yeah, say my name, no?
I'm gonna be baby daddy.
Oh, yeah, say.
Dada.
Why? I don't know if I today or tomorrow, but we're gonna start the process today.
I was going to boy the things one speed, no I'm going to easy, not slow, and so. Once them start, I must say, you understand? Hey, boy. Hey, student. He's going to think it out still, because it's everything in the family advance, you see it?
Okay.
Yeah, I feel I'm going on purpose, you know.
People are coming. I mean, nobody look for me. So
no,
later.
Don't. That's the Lord. Release. I'm come out to them.
We'll see.
I'm going to tell them if I say that.
Yeah, we'll see. Father, you're a good father. Nick said. Alright, guys, we keep you guys updated on what's going on. BRB.
Yeah, guys, so when I see the bag on there's something there, so letting in a bit of what's happening. So unlike Jamaica, we have to carry a car seat to the hospital, so hence why we have the car seat.
Jamaica just fling it baby now on taxi.
No, it's not fling, we do things properly, you know.
Jump on my bike back.
It's not a law or anything like that to say, yeah, you have to have a car seat, but here we have to do that.
They might come in here.
Yeah, when we have to come in, when the labor process start, somebody else can come in, so mommy will get to come in at that time. Alright. Hey guys, Dr. Grillan on the spot, you get what I'm saying? It's almost time I'm going to induce my patient, so just giving her some time to settle, and I'm going to go straight into the insertion and ensure that she is properly induced. Okay, patient?
I can't bear it. Hi everyone. What I did. So I am in what have you said, the community ward. The community ward. So I get prepped here, and then later on when things start to progress, I go to my own room, and then yeah, when things start to progress, I go to my own room, and then hopefully things progress fast. Jerome said it can go happen today. You'll see. Sorry, yeah, you might distract me. Anyways, I have nothing to say. What to say?
How are you feeling?
I'm me tell them already.
Oh, you're telling me here. And ask me how me feel? I'm ready for the job, okay?
Okay.
So when I'm gonna back his seat, put him overall and then say, yeah, I'm gonna go up there. Take him out. So forward. Dr. Greenland. Shami, why ready to come out? Okay, Sonny, in due time you'll see this. So, this is Daddy, Mommy and Daddy, and Grandma. Well, that's for your birth. So today is the 27th of the 2022. So we have to basically alternate. So Grandma can get a chance to go inside, and then I have to ask him to go back inside until the actual time for birth, both of us can go in. So yeah, we love you and we're dying to see you. So remember this man. People don't know really to kick off the device. Half can belly.
And keep on and move it. Like him, instead just like his father, who just touch me, what is move
Why
it?
not leave me alone?
See, move it again. You know, touch her. Now move it again. Face still like his father.
So now I put weights on my head. I'm a foot. Don't I put weights on my foot? We're getting there.
So, okay.
And kick it again.
You keep on and kick it every time it's circle back on him.
And kick it again.
Father's child. So I have 24 hours. You don't have something up here on me.
Lord Jesus, propess or pro?
Propess.
Propess.
Propess inside.
Help with dilation.
Hopefully. Well, Jerome did say I'm going to take 24 hours. So
You know, take 24 hours. Jammy boy, I go say, yo.
Profit or not.
Yeah, mine a profit. Father God.
We are here.
Alright. So forward. When is every 6 hours I'm gonna check my dilation? Yeah.
The little boy keep on and kick off the something. It's okay.
Man, Vicks, no, gonna strap me up.
Some big leg and like it. It's okay, don't worry.
Can you add with peak up all again?
It just shoot up some. Oh, shiny baby.
I wanna. I did. No, I did. I say, I'm not going to strap me up and thing. Only the phone.
Jesus, you still a move it. Okay.
I'm going to push it up. See, I do it got up there again. I'm going to kick it.
I like it.
But I say exert too much effort, man. Relax.
I like it at all.
And I'm going to stress out the man.
Father's child. It's okay, don't worry. I'm not ending anything.
You might go up there.
Index, I like it. Jesus.
Yeah, that would be nice.
Gosh, man.
That's what I mean. It's almost like, yeah, we're going to
Goodness, that's stressful, guys. You know what they're for you, babe.
The person is leaving.
Not leaving you. You guys have to make a trade-off. Why the front camera look like this? We have to make a trade-off, guys. I rather midwife stay than me stay. You know what I say? I shall be here early in the morning.
Alessandra, you need any for here now, or should I put them to the freezer?
No, I need one, sorry. Thank you so much.
Nah, sure.
You need the keys. You need the keys.
They know my chips bag. Can I keep the chips just in case I want to? If not, meet it tomorrow. Bye bye for now. Until we see you again.
Just what we get.
Day one. How much days we got, baby?
You want to do all of that?
Only 2 days. Peeps, watch your boy alone there road. After 10 I bus stop in London. Ain't afraid. I think I'm at the right place though, so yeah. I'm cold. I'm super cold. Guys, morning. It's actually day 2 of delivery, so I just reach back at the hospital, go home, bathe and all them things there. Come back, so going to check on this now. See what's happening. Hopefully things are progressing. Yep, that's where we are. Guys, things are happening really fast. So they decided they're going to do a C-section. So I'm changing. Put on these scrubs so I can see my baby boy. What else do I need to do? Take off these shoes. See, good things are only just not woolly for clothes, and you see it's simple. people should look at some soon, but I'm kind of fear rush as it. The scrubs are big, bro. The camera is on mute. Guys, this is it. I'm going out there, okay? Father J. You'll be fine.
And is I'm just going to move your legs so the catheter can insert to the tank.
Cut off people up
Oh, he's crying. Oh.
Do you want to go with him? You can go again?
You did it, babe.
Mommy, okay? Congratulations.